Bella woke to some Orúkọ. But in the strange land, the house was wild. They took Baba Sunday and called him Bill. They took.
Welcome back to Get Rebel Life TV. We are on the third step of our journey into the art of Yoruba culture. In our last episode, we discussed Omoluabi, the person of character. But when does that character begin? In the Yoruba world, it begins before you can even speak. It begins with your name. Today, we are exploring one of the most scientific and spiritual aspects of our tradition, the power of a name.
Anchorage, stripping the history, racing the line, breaking the connection to the...
For many in the West, a name is chosen because it sounds nice or because it's trendy. But for the Yoruba, a name is a profound spiritual identity. It is a prayer, a prophecy, and a compass for your entire life. We have a saying, Ilé ni à ń wò kí a tó sọmọ lórúkọ, which means we must look at the state of the home before we name the child. In traditional Yoruba culture, shortly after a child is born, a ceremony called Akosejaye is performed. This is not just a party, it is a spiritual consultation. A babalawo, a priest of wisdom, is often called to consult the Ifa oracle to determine the child's inner head. The evidence of this is found in the specific categories of Yoruba names. We don't just pick names out of a hat. We categorize them based on the circumstances of birth. 1. Orúkọ Amútọ runwá, name brought from heaven. These are names for children born in unique ways. For example, a child born with the umbilical cord around their neck is named Ojo. Twins are always Taiwo and Kehinde. These names are assigned by the universe itself. Then 2. Orúkọ Àbísọ, names given at birth. This reflects the family's current situation. If a family has been praying for wealth and the child arrives, they might name him Olowo, that is, the wealthy one. Then 3. Oriki, attributive names. These are praise names that call forth a specific energy, like Ajoke, one who is pampered by all. The naming ceremony usually happens on the 8th day. During this ritual, the child is given several items to taste, each representing a fact of life. This is the evidence of the senses, honey and sugar. So the child's life will be sweet and full of joy. Water, because water has no enemies and no one can live without it. It symbolizes that the child will be essential to the world. Salt, to give flavor to the world and to preserve the family's legacy. Kola nuts, Obi, to push away evil and bring long life. Bitter kola, Orogbo, to ensure the child lives to a very old age. As the Orogbo tree is one of the hardest in the forest, does the name actually work? Look at the Yoruba evidence of Yoruba people globally. We see people like the late Obafemi Awolowo. His name, Awolowo, means the secret or wisdom are prestigious. He became one of the greatest intellectual and political architects in African history. Your name is a frequency that your ancestors use to find you. If you are watching this and you feel lost or disconnected, I want you to look into your family history. If you have been given a name that carries no meaning, or perhaps a name that carries a negative weight, the Yoruba tradition teaches us that we can rename ourselves to align with our higher purpose. Your name is the first script written for the movie of your life. When you speak your name, you are making a decree to the universe. If your name means wealth, you are calling wealth. If it means joy, you are calling joy. A name is more than a label. It is a destiny. It is the bridge between the ancestors who came before you and the descendants who will follow. In our next episode, we are going to look at another physical maker of identity, one that was once used to tell a person's story at a single glance. We will discuss the tribal marks, their history, and why they were used to protect and identify the Yoruba people. Thank you for watching Get a Better Life TV. Speak your name with pride and watch how your life begins to change. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.
To the grand design, a name like Smith, a name like Jones, does not vibrate in the African bones. Only the biggest theft was not the gold or the grain, it was stealing the pride and leaving the shame. Orúkọ mi kò ní parun, oh I will not pay. It is in the blood. Orúkọ mi kò ní parun, oh I need it is in the blood. You can change the label on the job, but you cannot change who we really are. Orúkọ, the key to the spirit. But listen closely to the words they say. When the master is sleeping, you're far away. Hey Kujo, hey Kofi, hey Kwashi, the names of the weak from across the sea. They call them basket names, nicknames of dirt, hidden underneath the cotton shirt. But Kojo means the one born on Monday, keeping the calendar of the ancient way. Isiri, we kept the secret in the nicknaming code, carrying the identity on the heavy road. Orúkọ mi kò ní parun, oh I need it is in the blood. Orúkọ mi kò ní parun, oh I need it is in the blood. You can change the label on the job, but you cannot change who we really are. Orúkọ, the key to the spirit.